Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we're having a 5.0 aftershock about the 6.7 because we downgraded this is a 6.8 downgraded to a 6.7 Panama. There we are, a 6.7 earthquake. This is aftershock of 5.0. Mean data of injured depth is a 70 kilometer 5 hours ago. Going to click on USGS this earthquake. USGS tweeting. There we are. USGS said there was a 5. USGS said there is a 4.9. Okay, USGS said there is a 4.9 earthquake. There is a 4.9. So, stay safe. See you in the next video or stream. Bye. And our link of earthquake and description box. Stay safe. Bye bye.